3D printers have become very popular for model railroaders in the past couple of years. So what 3D printer do you use and how do you use it? Well, those questions can be answered on my Monday night live stream this coming Monday, December 11th at 8 p.m. I'm going to have Logan Zimmerman from Prusa Research. Logan is the community manager of Prusa Research. You can see him right here with many of the printers in the background. He'll be discussing these printers, showing a little demonstration of how to print, and answering questions for you. If you're not familiar with Prusa, they were one of the very first to put out 3D printers, and many of the other manufacturers have copied their design. The good thing about Prusa is they are open source and they have a website with 24/7 support. Logan will go over a lot of the products that they have and parts and explain everything about 3D printing. And on the website, they also have an academy where they have instructional videos that you could watch about 3D printing from the very start. And Logan will be available for questions for the beginners, for the intermediate printers, and for the expert printers who have 3D printers. And it also, if you have a resin printer, he could answer questions about that also, because they cover resin printers. Logan has 8 printers of his own personally that he uses at home. And the ones that you saw in the photo of him, those are the ones he uses for his presentations all over the country and on Zoom calls with customers. And he'll also be talking about printables, the printables website, where you could find a lot of designs for your 3D prints. I myself know absolutely nothing about 3D printers, but I spent about 2 hours with Logan on a call on this program right here that I'm using to set everything up. And I learned a lot. I asked him a lot of questions that I didn't know about. Jim Tedesco gave me a lot of questions to ask him, like print speed, plates, self-leveling sizes, direct drive feed, bourdon, pause and adhesion afterwards, assembled or kit form. How does your product beat other brands? Like I said, we went over 2 sessions, about an hour of each one, and he explained a lot to me. So I'm sure that he'll have a lot to say in the live stream. Like I said, Logan is a wealth of information and you could learn a lot from him. So don't forget to stop in Monday night at 8 p.m. I'll be streaming on YouTube and on Rumble. And we'll be talking about everything about 3D printing. So get your questions ready. And while he's talking, if you have any questions, put a Q in there and ask the question, and we'll get it up there in the chat so he could answer it right away. So tune in Monday night at 8 p.m. on my YouTube channel or on Rumble for more information on 3D printers. If you're just learning, if you have any questions, if you don't even think that you want a 3D printer, you might be persuaded to buy one. So don't forget, tune in, and we'll see you then.